Hey guys, here you see that this is another open source Cowork, and here you see that all of the AI agents, let's say Claude Code, Codex CLI, Gemini CLI, Opencode, Kimi, and Openclaw, Quen, Mistral, and all of these AI agents that are exist in the market that will appear here. And this is the open source Cowork that I am using, which is the AionUI. So if you go to this GitHub repository, this is the AionUI free open source repository, and they have written this thing that free local open source 24/7 co-work app for Openclaw, Hermes Agent, Claude Code, Codex, Opencode. Basically, let's say you want to use the Openclaw, then you need to open the Openclaw interface, and you want to work with the Claude Code. Then again, you need to open the Claude Code. So let's say you want to with all of these agents. So one, two, three, four, five, six multiple AI agents you need to open in your machine, right? Now, Aeon AI UI is asking us to use their interface, and they are saying that you can use these all of the AI agents inside one place. Okay, and on the left hand side also you will find these assistants, and there you see for PPT you will get this more PPT for UI UX related task. This is the built-in task specific assistant they have. Okay, you need to just turn it on and then you can use it. And here you see this is the Cowork, means inside Claude you will find this Cowork, and this A1 UI also have this Cowork feature for the autonomous task execution like file operation, document processing, multiple step workflow planning. Not only that, here you see financial model creator, story role play, academic paper, and beautiful mermaid, 3D more PPT. Multiple task assistants are there, and you can also set up your custom task assistant if you want by clicking on this create assistant button. Okay, not only that, on the left hand side you will find another menu which is the capabilities, and here you see these are the built-in skills that will appear here. So for office work purpose or this cron job schedule purpose, and here you see this is the mold book for the social work of AI agent, and there the AI agent will post, comment, upvote. And also here you see for docs and for financial model, all of this related purpose you will find it. And you can also add your own skill here, and also there is a MCP and voice option. So here you see if you want to use the speech to text capabilities, then you can add this model here by providing the API key base URL. And also there is a built-in MCP which is the Chrome Dev tool, and you can manually add your own MCP also, let's say context 7 or any other. Okay, so all of these facilities you will get, and also on the left hand side you see there is a display option, so you can change the display according to your need. And also remote means if you want to use it through Telegram or WeChat or Lark, so you can use that, or with the help of Discord, Slack, you can do that. The support is coming soon, but Telegram support is there. And also here you see desktop page. So for codecs there is a page feature. Now the same page feature is also here inside Aeon UI. And now this is the system configuration that you can do it. Okay, now let me show you that how it actually works. So let me choose this open code. Okay, so click on the start chat, and here you see that currently all of these AI agents are showing here. So you can switch between them, and when I have selected this open code, all of this model that I have configured inside open code, it is showing here. Okay, and if I just write here simply hi code response, and how can I help you with. So from this drop down you can see that there are multiple models are showing, and this is the Cloudflare AI gateway setup that I previously shown how to use the Kimi K2.6 or GPT 5.5 models for free with the help of Cloudflare AI gateway. So if you have not watched that video till now, you can go to our channel and there search for this Cloudflare, and you will find that video. Where is that? Yes, this one, the video you can watch. Okay, now not only that, you can here set up your own open router model. So for that let's say you want to use this Cowork feature. Okay, so click on this Cowork. Now here you see default model, and you can add your own model. So if I just click on this add model, and on the right hand side you will find this add model, and here you can just use the open router. Okay, and here you can give the API key. So in front of you, let me just make quickly one API key and just do the setup Aeon UI. Okay, and leave it blank, create, and it will give me the API key and paste it. Okay, and after that, here you need to set up the model name. So if I just write free, there are lots of free models are appearing here. Let's say I am selecting this Gamma 431 billion. This is a free model, confirm. So now you see that this model is appearing here. In this way, you can actually add multiple models, right? Now again, go to the agents, or you can say that chat interface. So selecting this Cowork, and here you see Gamma 4 model is appearing here, and you can continue your chat from this portion. And also here you see Excel creator, PPT, and all of these task helper are there. So for PPT assistant, the output will be editable mod PPT dot pptx file, and morph animated slide to slide transition with coherent story pacing, and it is powered by the Office CLI. And for Word assistant, the output will be editable Word dot docs file, and writing and production ready document editing via the doc skill, and it is also powered by the Office CLI. For Excel Assistant, the usable excel.xlsx or .csv generate or refresh the spreadsheet with XLSX for analysis, auto formatting, and charts. And it is also powered by the Office CLI. Now the next concept that is very important is the multi-agent mode. So as I have already shown you that you have all of the CLI agents inside one place. So if you already use the Claude Code, Codex, Hermes agent, and Openclaw, then AionUI auto detects them and lets you co-work with all of them. So alongside the built-in agent, you see that you can switch between them, and you can continue with any of the AI agent. Means at a one time you can give the task to any of the AI agents that you want to work with, and parallelly they will continue or they will maintain that sessions. So you can run multiple agents simultaneously with independent context, and also you can configure the MCP tool once, and you can automatically sync to all of the agents. And also the team mode, it is very important. You can coordinate between the multi-agent, so you can run multiple AI agents as an organized team. A leader agent receives your instruction and breaks them into subtasks and delegates to the teammate agents via the built-in team MCP server, and teammates execute it in parallel and share the results through an async mailbox and write to a shared task board. So leader breaks the task into subtasks and delegate to the teammates agent and running in parallel, and each teammate uses its own model via the ACP, means the agent communication protocol. And if you want to get this kind of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.